Hey, it's Rick here. Thought I'd bring you back to part 2 of the birdhouses. We've got several of them to paint, and I know you've seen me do it before, but you know, it's still kind of cold, so we're not going to get out and work on the war wagon. So stay tuned though, we've got parts coming in. Got some parts yesterday, and got more coming. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. We're up to almost 500 subscribers now, so that's all because of you guys, and I appreciate that. So anyway, well, let's get started.
Yeah! Ready! I was walking down the street. I was minding my own affair. I'd had a dip of skull in my mouth.
Are you going to help today? Can you give me some... Can you shake? Oh, that's such a good girl. Oh, good boy. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's such a good boy. Okay, so what we got here is a whole bunch of junk. So, really, we've got all kinds of paints, colors, brushes. Here's a couple of brushes. Here's some more brushes. And a lot more paints. All kinds of paints down in here. Glitter, you know, whatever we want to do. So, I'm going to kind of push this over to the side there. This is my old Homer Laughlin dinner plate that I like to mix paint on if I need to. So we'll put that there. And of course my grug mug for water to dip my brushes in. And some paper towels. So, we are going to get started. Of course, this is the one we're going to clear coat, so I'm going to put that off to the side, and I'll probably go get some clear coat or some shellac. No, that's not what they call it anymore. How about polyurethane? Yeah, I got some outdoor polyurethane I'll put on that, and so we'll do that, and then let's just get busy painting. Okay, well, what I want to do is, just going to start painting on these, and I'm going to clear coat this one first. But I'll probably just speed through this because, you know, I'm just using stuff that I've got around. I'm actually going to paint some of them gloss red. Some of them I'm going to get artistic with and put stuff on there, you know, like whatever. And then I just got some old polyurethane here, and I'm going to do this one first and go hang it out in the garage because it's kind of stinky in the house. So anyway, so just go ahead and follow along.
Yeah! I was walking down the street. I was minding my own affair. I'd had a dip of skull in my mouth. Didn't have no hair. I didn't want to fight. I didn't want to scuffle. I'm just headed down the street doing the crack house shuffle. Crack house shuffle. I was walking down the street, just having me some fun. Then here come a fella out of a house, had a switchblade and a gun. I said, hey, mister, I don't want no fight or scuffle. I ain't gonna give you no problems doing the crack house shuffle. I was coming back home, had my own affair. I still had that dipper skull, still didn't have no hair. Here come that fella with that knife. All he wanted to do was scuffle. I'm gonna kick his ass, doing the crack house shuffle, shuffle. Close it down. Yeah! Ready? I was walking down the street, I was minding my own affair. I'd had a dip of skull in my mouth, didn't have no hair. I didn't want to fight, I didn't want to scuffle. I'm just headed down the street, doing the crack house shuffle. Crack house shuffle. Ready? I was walking down the street, just having me some fun. Then here come a fella out of a house, had a switchblade and a gun. I said, hey, mister, I don't want no fight or scuffle. I ain't gonna give you no problems, doing the crack house shuffle.
The thing is don't be limited to, oh, I don't know how to do anything, because I never knew how to paint either until I just started doing it. So just take some color, and you don't have to even buy these fancy paints. You can just do, you can go to Home Depot, for example, and in their Cull paint section, you could just buy some paint like that. Usually it's real cheap, especially they'll have, like, somebody's gotten some samples made and they didn't pick them up or something like that, and they sell that stuff really cheap. And so you could do that if you didn't want to spend a lot of money on paint or something. But anyway, don't be afraid to just do it. Just do it. It's kind of like reaching up there right now and saying, okay, I think I want to subscribe to this channel. Just do it.
Yeah! Ready? I was walking down the street, I was minding my own affair. I'd had a dip of skull in my mouth, didn't have no hair. I didn't want to fight, I didn't want to scuffle. I'm just headed down that street, doing the crack house shuffle. Crack house shuffle. Ready? I was walking down the street, just having me some fun. Then here come a fella out of a house, had a switchblade and a gun. I said, hey, mister, I don't want no fight or scuffle. I ain't gonna give you no problems, doing the crack house shuffle. Here we go now. I was coming back home, had my own affair. I still had that dibble.
All right, well, that kind of concludes the little video on painting the birdhouses. So I appreciate you coming along today and watching. And be sure and like and share. And I'm going to show you the finished products here. Get out here in the back room here of the garage, and so we'll kind of show you what we got going on here. So there's Home Sweet Home, and I painted, I always like my little signature little birds up here. I always usually do that on all my paintings. There's the one we clear coated, and there's one of the red ones, and I thought this one turned out pretty cool. I did a little sponge painting on that once I got the purple base painted on there. And then this is, ooh, I gotta run. Let's kind of wipe that off a little bit. That's a bump steer. Okay. Well, you know. Anyway, I call that one the Partridge Family birdhouse. And then we got this one, and then this one here is really cool too. I think it looks real mysterious. And then, of course, there's another red one. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's videos. And again, like I said, thanks for sharing and liking. And be sure and get out there and try your hand at some projects. This spring, man, grow you some birds, some birdhouses, some gourds. If you don't have any gourds seeds, you can certainly contact me at the email in the description, and I'd be glad to send you some, as long as, you know, it's not overseas or California. I don't think I can mail them to California, but because you can't send seeds and stuff to California, and I think Illinois too, but I'm not real sure on Illinois. But anyway, we'll check into it. If you want some, you let me know. I'll get you some. And like I said, Gunner and I, we thank you for watching today's show, don't we, Gunner?
I was walking down the street, I was minding my own affair.
Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.